Hello and Namaste. I am Ketan Kank from 19.2 Consulting. In this video, we are going to discuss about the concept of right shares. As we have discussed the concept of bonus shares earlier, investors should also be aware of the rights issues made by the company. We will delve into the concept of right shares, basic difference between rights and the bonus, and what the investors should know about the rights issue while reclaiming their shares. So first of all, rights issue is the issue of shares which is made by the company to its existing shareholders at a price. So this is the basic concept and also the basic difference between rights and bonus. So what rights say that the investor, whenever the company comes up with the issuance of shares, it's the preemptive right that the company has to give to its existing shareholders before it deals with the issuance of the shares otherwise. If the shareholders do not respond or decline to take up those right shares, then the shares again fall at the behest of the board of directors, and the board of directors may deal with those shares in the manner as they deem fit. So the dealing of these shares which fall back on the board of directors or the company just because shareholders have not exercised their rights or the shareholders have not responded to the offer made by the company, there are rules set by the company law how to deal with these shares, but we will not go deep into those rules because that is not the point of discussion of this video. The crux of matter in this video is the understanding of the concept of the right shares, and the investors have to keep a vigil eye on the shares which are issued to them under the rights issue and what they need to take care about while applying for the shares in the rights issue or while reclaiming their share from the IEPF. The basic concept of rights issue dwells on two things. First, it is the offer made by the company to its existing shareholders. Point number one. And point number two, it is made at a price determined by the company. Now let us see what is the difference between rights issue and bonus shares. See, for bonus shares, the shareholder will not have to pay even a single rupee to get the bonus shares issued and allotted to them. It's a simple bonus. But for rights issue, the shareholder will have to pay that amount. Secondly, the bonus shares are issued wherein the rights are issued only if the shareholder or the shareholders take that offer by paying the subscription amount or the calls amount or the paid up or the face value of the shares, whatever the company has. There is no such thing in bonus share. And in the context of reclaiming of the shares, if the company has come up with the bonus issue, the bonus shares can also be reclaimed. But if meanwhile, when the shares were unclaimed, if the company has come up with the rights issue and the shareholder, due to his ignorance or for any other reason, has not taken up that offer while it was open, then the offer or the shareholder stands to lose that offer and the shareholder will not be able to claim the right shares because that offer has been closed, the investor has not taken up that offer, and hence the issuance of share was not made under rights issue just because shareholder has not taken up the offer. These things are absent in bonus issue. For bonus issue, the shares are being issued, and if the original shares have gone to IPF, as I have said, chances are rife that the bonus shares will also go to IPF. But if the company has come up with the rights issue and the shareholder has not taken up that offer, then there is no question of the additional shares going to the IPF because the shares under rights issue are not at all allotted or issued to the existing shareholders. In that case, wherein the shareholder has not taken up the offer, there is a particular time frame for which the rights, the offer for rights issue has to be kept open. Investors have to make an application or respond to that offer within the time frame. Post that, nothing can be done. Once the offer closes, the board of directors will take the stock of the situation of the shareholders who have responded, who have not responded, who have declined, accepted, whatsoever. And once these shares are allotted, then only the existing shareholders, by paying that kind of money to the company, will get the rights. So this is the concept of rights issue. Should you have any query relating to the reclaiming of the shares or issue of shares under rights issue, you may feel free to reach out to us. You may reach out to us by marking your comments in the comment section of this video, or You may also write an email to us on info@19to.in. Till the time, this is Ketan Kank signing off. Thank you so much.